Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Today for grammar we're going to be looking at adjectives again. So last week we talked about limiting adjectives, which are things that like determiners, like that book. That is a limiting adjective that describes what book. Or something like $15 describes how many dollars. Now, today we are looking at descriptive adjectives, so things that help to describe a word. So the first thing, like I said, describe. Okay, so an adjective, a descriptive adjective helps to describe something. So, pencil, it is a yellow pencil. So yellow is my adjective. Okay, another one, large. It's the only large thing I have right here. So I have a water bottle. It's a large water bottle. Okay. Plain. Plain paper. Nothing on it. What kind of paper is it? It's plain. Okay, so it just describes what it is. Another thing you can always do, like I just did, is ask what kind. So if I say, I have bread, I have stale bread. You say, what kind of bread is it? It's stale bread. Or, I have a friend. She is a funny friend. Okay, what kind of friend is she? She is funny. So funny is our descriptive adjective. It just helps describe the noun or the pronoun. Okay. The other thing we can look for is some suffixes to remember. Okay. So these are things that not every word ending in these suffixes will be an adjective, but it's a really good clue. Like, let's see here, less. Careless, you could say, she is a careless friend. That would mean careless is your adjective, helps to describe what type of friend. He is a handsome fella, would be handsome, describes what kind of fella he is. Or courteous. You'd say, she is a courteous teacher. Okay, and so courteous describes what kind of teacher. So these are suffixes that you need to just familiarize yourself with, because it gives you a hint that that's going to be an adjective. But when in doubt, you can always ask yourself, does it describe or help to describe a noun or a pronoun in the sentence? Okay, so you guys are going to have an assignment. Please make sure you follow instructions on the Google form, because if you type in something incorrectly, it will mark itself as wrong. So just make sure you follow directions and spell things correctly, and that will help with the Google Forms. If you want to, actually I'd like you to, go ahead and review on page 146 in your purple book, and that will kind of go over the descriptive adjectives. And then on the Google form, you'll go ahead and just follow instructions and think out the descriptive adjectives in the sentences I give you. Okay? That's your assignment for this week.